Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just giving you guys a quick update. I am alive and well. Welcome to 2020, the Roaring 20s. How cool is that? So a lot of people during the winter months tend to do mods, and I do have some plans. I'm sure you're wondering what it is. Some of you already know what it is because I've Instagrammed it, I've talked about it. I've put it on my community feed channel. Anybody a Doctor Who fan? Yeah, for those that are not Doctor Who fans, I'm not a Doctor Who fan. This is my son's. It is the TARDIS. So just kind of a sidebar, that is a TARDIS. It's just a storage unit, really. There's toys and Legos and blankets in there that's all. Anyway, back to the subject here. There are some mods behind these Christmas storage bins. We still haven't taken the Christmas tree down. Who else still has Christmas tree decorations up? We do. So yeah, the storage bins are out and ready to accept all the Christmas decorations around the house. Oh, I just washed the car, so the buckets are in my way. But there's something really cool behind these things. First of all, got suspension parts for the GTI, some new shock absorbers. These are the Bilsteins. I'm gonna get some springs and refresh some other suspension parts for the GTI as well. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, what a mess. Oh man. So I got these during Black Friday from ssonly.com. That's Joe LaBruza's site, so be sure to go check it out. Oh, there's some goodies back here. Oh man, who put the scooter back here? Springs. These are SLs. These are by Kings. I got the SL, so it should be about a 1-inch drop. I think it's 0.9. Anyway, I got these from ISS Only. It took a few weeks though, so it took a while to get here since they're from Australia. So I believe these are the rears. I can't remember, but then these are the fronts. Yeah, so there you go, Kings SL. There you go. There's the springs. So this will give the car a slight drop. Nothing aggressive. I didn't want to go aggressive. I didn't feel like rolling fenders or anything. And so far, my friends that have the same car have done these 1-inch drop springs, and it did not have to roll the fenders. I guess that remains to be seen. I know no two cars are alike. So far, the mag ride is good. So I haven't seen any leaks yet. Those days are numbered. At some point, I'll probably have to replace the mag ride, but they do have to be recalibrated after springs are installed. So I'll make sure that the tech does that. I won't be doing the install myself. I don't have the garage or the tools to do that. And honestly, in my townhouse complex, we can't be doing that kind of work. Otherwise, the HOA will be after me. Also got some trailing arms. These are for the rear. These are the rear trailing arms. Will stiffen the suspension a little bit, make it handle better. Also minimize some wheel hop if you have that issue. I don't have that issue. I figured since I'm getting springs done, might as well refresh these and get some slightly improved or enhanced handling from the car. And don't forget to get the trailing arm outer bushings as well. ssonly.com is where I got all these as well. It was a Black Friday sale, so it was a good time to get them. But the trailing arms are old on mine. Looking at 91,000 miles today, so figured it's time to refresh, guys. I plan on keeping the car for a very, very long time. All right, what else we got here? Oh yeah, got a couple of tow rods, rear tow rods as well. So again, same reasoning. Since I'm gonna have the tech back there during the install, I might as well refresh these as well to complement the trailing arms. Just best practice. If you can replace it while you're there, go ahead and do it, especially on an older car with more miles, with a lot of miles like mine. Honestly, I've been under the car many times, and the suspension looks pretty solid so far for as many miles that it has, so no issues. Not hearing any noises, but might as well refresh them while I got them, right? I mean, if I was gonna replace that car anytime soon, I probably wouldn't spend this money on more upgrades because I want to use it towards a newer car. But my goal, as you guys may know if you follow the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, by the way. I plan on keeping the car for many more thousands of miles. So I'm investing in the life of the car and longevity. Got some front sway bar links. I could do these myself. These are not hard to do. You can DIY this. It doesn't take long to do in your driveway. Again, while my tech is there, it's an easy fix, easy swap. I'll let him go ahead and swap these out for me. Again, the front end sway bar links will add some performance and longevity and handling characteristics. I was under the car again, and the sway bar links right now still look really good. And a lot of that is because I take care of it. I clean it, I wash underneath the car as much as I can. I use some products to keep it clean, so sway bar links are going in as well. And last but not least, I got some Whiteline strut tower bushings. These, I got one. These go on the front of the car. These bushings are, the stock bushings do wear out over time. You'll see a gap if you look in your front strut tower, a gap between the car and the bottom of the strut tower bushing here. You just need to replace them. It should be an easy fix. Again, while my tech is on the car, he's gonna go. I'm gonna have him replace these as well. So that's basically it. That's the update. Just all suspension parts right now. I'm also getting something else done. Now the car looks great, right? I take care of the paint, but unfortunately with over 90,000 miles, you get stone chips, rock chips galore. So I plan sometime this winter to get this completely repainted, the hood, fenders, and bumper, because this is a little too awful for me. I put a piece of vinyl on the edge of the hood just for some protection. By the way, we got an Xbox One X this holiday season. And guess what car is in there? Yeah, you probably already know. It has a Chevy SS in there. It's appropriate because, you know, the game takes place in Australia. Forza Horizon 3 does. I downloaded Forza Horizon 4. I haven't played that yet. But I went straight to Forza Horizon 3. So I wanted to share some cool screenshots of the car in action with you. Take a look at this. Nerd out here for a second. Ooh, yeah. These aren't the fancy, expensive ones, but they are fun. We just have them mounted on the walls. Pretty cool. Any Star Wars fans out there? Any Star Wars fans out there? There's gotta be some. So that's the update, guys. I hope to get this all done by the end of February, the repaint and the suspension upgrades. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.